Hello, welcome to another episode of the Ikan Bilis Weekly Forecast Show. Our weekly forecast is published every Sunday, 4 p.m. UK time to help you navigate the sea of market volatility. Please subscribe and click the like button before we dive into the chart.
Hey people, I've got something good to share with you guys. Bilis has launched a prop trading service and we are now looking for talented traders to fund. You can trade Forex, crypto indices, and metals with the accounts using the MetaTrader 4 application. We have the friendliest evaluation criteria in the industry that sets you up for success. All you just need to make 10% on your account in 60 days and make sure that your trade sizes are consistent and within a reasonable risk parameter. Most prop trading firms split up their evaluation into two 30-day phases and require a 10% profit made on each of those phases. In my opinion, that sets up traders for failure and forces them to take unnecessary risks on the account. Furthermore, we allow you to earn from the get-go. Yes, we reward you for good trading even during your evaluation phase. So wait no longer. Go ahead and sign up for an account at ikanbilis.capital. We're now giving out free challenges for a limited time only. Please join our Discord channel to say hi and find out more.
For the DXY, we're kind of at a crossroads for DXY, right? So we have dumped down from the top of the channel, and now we are holding support at the 200 MA, which it did many times before, right? If we draw a straight line across in the middle of the channel, you can see. So now the question is this going to hold the line for the pair for more upside, or is it going to break the line like it did many times before to the downside? Our bias is to the downside. We know that the Fed taper will start in mid-November, which is overall bullish for the US dollar, but it is mostly priced in, and the supply of the dollar is still on a upward. It will still be on a upward trajectory past November until mid next year in 2022. So we think that the channel structure should still stay intact, and it is our bias that we will need to break the bottom of the channel, right, to liquidate all these longs, right, before we can reach higher highs. So for our bear case, a more correction should happen from here before more downside to test the bottom of the channel, and then even more downside. For the bull case, a larger correction may occur to form a bull trap, right? And once the bulls are all trapped in, they're going to get slaughtered. But ultimately the bias is to the downside for Q4, at least Q4 2021 and Q1 2022. And then we will see what the Fed says in Q2, whether they will raise interest rates and their asset repurchase policies, or basically QE is over, the economy is overheating, and they need to cool it.
We've come to the end of the video. If you think our content is useful to you, please like, share, and subscribe. Our Discord channel is up and running, and it's the best place to stay current with our latest updates. See you there, or until next week.